In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your blower motor, which is located underneath the glove box on the passenger side. First thing you want to do is pry down on these two little tabs here to unplug the connector. It's usually easier if you have a pocket screwdriver or anything that's small enough to actually pry down on these. There we go. Pull this out. Now you can use an 8mm socket and remove these screws that hold on the blower motor onto the rest of this housing. On this rear one, you're going to need a swivel. Let's see if I can get it by hand at this point. Yep. All right, so this rear one is out. There's only one more left, which is this one over here. All right. There's one more right here. I can't see it, you can't see it, but I can feel it. And I'm sure you'll be able to as well if you just reach for it. Once it's out, I'll show you where it's located, but okay, blower motor's dropping down. That's perfect. Okay, so we have two screws over here that we have to remove. These are 8mm. So this piece is now free from over here. And one more screw, if you follow it, on the other end of it. Kind of hard to get to. Okay, there it is. Now this whole piece can come down. You could unclip it from here, get this out of your way. There we go. Now it slides out. Just try to maneuver it around everything here. And there you have it. All right, let's take the new one and try to be as gentle as possible so you don't damage any of the fins or the little tabs or anything like that. Okay, got it. I have one of the bolts ready. Line everything up, and there should be a couple tabs that will fall into place. That one over there, as you can see, is just a little pin that falls down into the hole, and that's how you know it's lined up perfectly. And now we just have to start in one of the screws. There's one. I'm going to try and start in a second one. All right, I got two. I'm going to switch over to this one to make sure that it's all going up nice and straight. You don't want this going in at an angle because then it won't line up with everything and it's not going to seal up either. All right, this one's snug. Come back to this one. Okay, that one's snug too. I'm going to start in the one in the back, not all the way in the back, but the one that's more to the left. All right, that's snug. You're only going into plastic, so be careful how much you tighten them. You don't need to go crazy tight. All right, we do have one more back here, so let's get that one in. That's in. Now we just need to drive it in and tighten it. Try using my wrench again, see how that goes. All right, that one's nice and snug. Let's put this back, snap it in to this hose, and line it up with its bracket. Get this little screw in. Okay, that's tight. Now we have two more screws left, which are these over here that secure the rest of this tube, if I could only see where I was going with them, put a piece of paper towel on between the socket and the screw. That way it hopefully holds it in place. And I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this one all the way down. It's not easy to reach, and it should line up with both of the holes, so that's why I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this one. I don't want to have to find it again. Alright, let's do the other one. Okay, this one's snug. Let's get that paper towel out of there. One last thing to do is to plug it in. And now you can give it a test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.